Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to control multiple browser profiles in AdsPower. With just a simple command in your AI chat, you can create, open, or close browser profiles automatically. It's super convenient, so let's get started. First, your AI tool connects through AdsPower's MCP Server to control AdsPower browsers. Make sure your AI tool supports MCP so it can send commands and manage your browser profiles. In this video, I'll use Claude Desktop as an example. Before we start, make sure you have AdsPower installed on your computer, Node.js version 18 or higher, and Claude Desktop installed. Next, let's set up Claude. Open Claude Desktop, go to File, then Settings, then Developer, and choose Edit Config. Open the JSON configuration file and add the following. I've placed the full code in the comment section below so you can copy it directly. After that, save the file and restart Claude Desktop. Then go to File, Settings, Connectors, and check if Claude has connected to the AdsPower API successfully. If it doesn't work, open AdsPower, go to API Settings, and disable API verification. Just make sure you only do this after confirming that the profile is trusted. This keeps your browser safe from any malicious access. Once the connection is ready, you can control everything just by typing commands in Claude. For example, you can open or close profiles, create new browser profiles, update fingerprints, or automate tasks like data scraping, login simulation, and content testing. And that's it. This makes multi-account management, automation, and testing much faster and easier.